Should I speak in English or should I speak in Hindi? You want me to speak in Hindi or English? Which is better? English is better, right? Or you want me to speak in Mizo? You don't want me to speak in Mizo? I'll try. First of all, to everyone, especially the children here, the small baby here, there she is. Mwah. I gave it to the lady and this old lady is doing mwah to me this time. Chibai to everyone. First of all, thank you so much for inviting me here. I think the youngsters, you all understand English, right? A bit. I am very happy that you all invited me here. And how does this look? कैसा लगता है? ठीक लगता है? हाँ? Does it look okay? Superb. So next time I'm going to take this everywhere. Wherever I go, I'll take this thing with me. Huh? How does this cap look? This is okay? Huh? So I want to tell you one thing. Have you ever been to the palace in Agartala? Have you been there? Have you been to my palace where I stay? Where Dokuma Silo has been? Raja Dokuma Silo? No, no? So let me take the opportunity to ask you all to please come to my palace for lunch. Oh, do you want to translate it? It will be much more easier. Please come in. Okay. Are you translating? First of all, I am very honored that you have given me so much of love. Second, we are all part of the same community in Tripura and in Northeast.
Tripura and Northeast are kan zabayan unaw kan ni ti venia hian kan fiat chal kan wani.
We may call ourselves Mizo, somebody may call themselves Rian, somebody may call themselves Jamatya, somebody may call themselves Naga.
Trend Tatsurian kan ti ni mai thaya, trend Jamatya, trend Naga kan ti ni mai thaya. Venia hian masem unaw kan ni
But the reality is the rest of India will always consider us Narbung Bubagra.
Alan jeda chu keni te hi Narbong ti riat kan ni na ti ni kan Narbong ve kan hi chu.
Right?
Adik kro.
So, if the Narbung and the Bubagra community has to develop, we need munkhat, we need unity.
Narbong ho chu develop kan ni thena tur chuan mun khata kan lon khom lo nai ta ni voi ni hian
They will call me Bubagra, you all will call me, Joychu calls me Ringpa, somebody will call me Ring. But for me, all of you, young, the women, the old, you are all my own people.
Helai mi ko unaw ten Bubagra min ti ni thea helaya kan halam unaw ten Rengpa min ti a Mizo ten Renglal min ti ni mai thea voi ni a hian in zawai kan voi ni a hian lal kan la ni rengani.
And there is only one who can unite us: love.
Chumi wang chau chuan kanin mangai na le kanin bum khat na voi ni hian om chun zong zel thei do ni.
Khatna means unity, right? Yes. Now, what is more powerful, love or hatred? I think love is more powerful.
Enge thil ti thei na lian ber chuni tang in mel mak na nge in mangai na niang ke chuan ma ngai na hi kan in pum khat na tur le thil kan ti thei na tur ber ni a voi ni he ka ngai ni
this is what I am saying is actually written in the Bible. Even the Pathian says love is the only answer to hatred.
hei tak hi dia voi ni he ka ngai poi mo Bible po ina alo zia ma ngai na hi pathiana kan in pum khat na chu alo ni.
So I appeal to you not as someone who's a politician, but I appeal to you as a indigenous person from Northeast, that let us come together and let us speak for our children together.
When ni ahian ka som du na cheu chu Northeast le lu fa te kan ni angin kan in pum khat angaya chuan lo lo ong tu te tan when ni ahian su tha tu chia turin kan in sui khom thar le apoi mo ani.
Today, our children are poor. We need to fight for our children's future, the next generation's future. But we are fighting in the name against each other. Instead of fighting for our children's future, we are fighting against each other. Instead of fighting for a better tomorrow for our next generation, we are fighting in the name of religion, in the name of surname, but we are both losing.
Kauna tu takte voi ni ahian ngai tuana kan man thar tu tak zetin ka ria chuan lo lo ong tur kan tu le fa te khovel tur ta na chane ngai le pum khat ta ka thok tur kan ni lain voi ni a ke mani le ke mani unau te enge mo wangin kan lo in sual zok ta thina chu voi ni he kan shiat fu lo em ani a chu wangin voi ni a kan ngai to na te thakin chuan thar na kina nap tu thazok kan nei theina turin nakin thazok kan nei theina turin helai lo kan khom te hi kan unau thara kan chan ruat thar kha apoi mo ani.
Who divides us? Those who don't want the Narbung and the Bukumbara to progress. Who divides us? Who don't want our children to have a better future? Who divides us in the name of religion? Those who want to rule us, both of us.
Với nia hian min chen dar tu te chu nar bom kho kan chang ka na với nia kan no pang na kin lo ka mi pui ting le mi thiam ni tur te phal lo tu te hian với nia hian ke ni tribal te hi min chen sanga kan in pum khat lo na tu thil sang với nia hian kan singa anon then tir fi ni.
You may call me Maharaja, somebody may call me Ringpa, somebody may call me Bubagra, but let me tell you, my name is not important. We are all children of Pathian, and I promise you, if the children of Pathian can come together, one day Narbung will rule Tripura.
When the Ahian, so young father training Bubagra Minti the Maitaya, a training Rengla, a training Rengpa Minti the Maitaya. Possibly set up when the Ahian, Gan Vahian, Patian Fate, Gandia, Patian Fate, Mukatakan long contain its one, Heram Tripura and Ram Gay, and Dignia Watsuan, Heram Lay to and Roke and Larel Donani.
Can you imagine Chief Minister of Mizoram, Chief Minister of Tripura, Chief Minister of Nagaland, Chief Minister of Meghalaya, all are our own people? Then you see how development comes to all of us, because then we are all together as one Northeast.
In Gai Tuangayam Kashilowa, Northeast Ahian, Mizoram, Meghalaya, Nagalena, that's one, Aram Leilum Fating, Chief Minister and Chutina. Somehow Ram the development Nasazia, Kivania Hen and Mufiatia, Mem Kashilowa, Chutia Bunzu Kenirama, and Tank Teli, and she had a poem.
So I appeal to you, do not be divided in the name of religion. Do not be divided in the name of party. Party can be many. CPM, Congress, Tipra Motha, BJP. But we should not forget, first, we are indigenous people of Northeast.
When the Ahian, politics tuinu te party awang te in min chen sang tu kan ni lawa kan ril ru om re ta le voi ni hian kangen na chu kangen du na chu sang ber chu heram le lu fa te kan ni ti hi hrenon tharang u.
Those, whenever you all go, some of you may go to Agartala, some of you may go to Guwahati, to Delhi, to Bangalore. People call you Chinese, they call you Chinky, they call you Momo. They don't know you're Mizo, they don't know he is Paloi, they don't know he is Rangkhol, they don't know he is Rian. But we are not united, so we are Mizo, Rangkhol, Jamatya, Riang, and those people who are calling us Chinky, Momo, Nakchepta, those people, they don't know which religion we are, they don't know where we come from, yet we are not united.
Delhi ate Bangalore ate inkal mai thin mai theya chung ho chuan ke ni ho hi Chinky Momo Mitzim te khatianga abian khau te chutiang te a soi thin chu kan nia ingsa ko von tu te ke kan ni kon shelowa Chinese ti te in soi thina masala voi ni a hian nge ni sa ko sang sang von tu te kan nia en ko su ni sela voi ni han chung chu koi mo bera ni lova en po ni se unaw kan ni nate voi ni a hian kan shia thar zo poi mo a.
They make fun of our women. They think our women are easy. It hurts me. Because today it is somebody else, tomorrow it can be my own sister. So why should we not come together? Why can't we become brothers? And why we cannot unite? And why cannot we think about the next generation?
Voi ni a hian ega tinge kan in pung khat le thei lo reng na chan hi nge min la them sang rega kan ma kan tu le fa te chuan thar lo lo tur ta na ngai to na kan hana hun to tak zet la ya kan in them sang thri le thil sang sang awa kan in pung khat thei lo hi apoi tak zet ani.
Politics has divided us. Pathian and love can unite us. Who is more powerful, politics or Pathian? You know the answer.
Politics tuinu chuan min them sang thina Pathian ma ngai le ro chuan min sui khom thina voi ni a hian politics tuinu nge Pathian ma ngai na chu thlan om kan ti zo.
Yet we continue to follow those leaders who divide us. But now I want to care, I want to think about a child, not because he is Rian or she is Rian or Mizo, but for me, every child should have a better future.
Voi ni a hian riang no pangan ni mo Mizo no pangan ni mo lamkha ka ngai poi mo ni lawa voi ni a hian no pang eram nei lung fa te ma kwa hi ka thliu le ka ngai poi mo ber chu ani.
Today we are opening a foundation stone for a community hall in the name of Raja Dokuma Sailo, who was a friend of my grandfather.
Voi ni a helaya Raja Bahadur Dokuma Sailo community hall hon na kan ne ya.
If 100 years ago Raja Bahadur Dokuma Sailo and Maharaja Bir Bikram could be friends, why can't we be friends 100 years later?
Kung samala makha aku Raja le Maharaja le Raja Dokuma Sailo te in thian ge tak kan lo ni thina voi ni a kung za aliam le he ne ge kan pum khat the lo chuang ang kan pum khat tur ani.
Today we have mobile phone, we have car, we have house, but we have forgotten how to love each other.
Voi ni a kan lo chang kang to ba mixing te li thei te phone chang kang te kan ne ya ngati ge pum khat na chang po kan sia to lo voi ni a hian ngati kan pum khat thei lo.
But when we had no cars, no mobile phone, no money, yet we were friends. So, despite everything, we are still losing. But one day, I hope that we can become friends, and we will become friends, and we will develop not only your village but the whole of Jampui in a proper way.
Thil nei lu mobile phone te car te chu ralma sela kan pum khada te kan thian na te ro chu a re thei to lo wa chu wangi roi ni a hian chu ngang te rin lo hre reng chung chuan in pum khat deu deu lam kan hoi kha roi ni a hian a poi mo ni.
This community hall is meant for a great man like Raja Bahadur Tokma Sailo, a great man, and we want to honor him. And next time I come here, we should celebrate our Christmas, our Easters, our Kut festival, our festivals in this very community hall, which will be built in the name of a great person like Raja Bahadur Tokma Sailo.
Lalu kita rasa bahagia berdoa masalah kerana community hall kan sakahian, ipo kalau kalanga Christmas Day, Easter Sunday te, kan mga kan lalang hulu doon itu tu.
And last, what do you say? I love you in Mizo? Huh? Kahmang Aiche. Huh? See, Kahmang Aiche. In Kokoro Kaugru say Ang no ham jago. And you say in Kahmang Aiche. See, Kahmang Aiche. Right? ₹1 भी नहीं जाता है. Not ₹1 from your pocket. But when you say Kahmang Aiche, you're smiling. Right? From here. You can say I love you, you can say Kahmang Aiche, you can say Ang no ham jago, but it's the same sentiment everywhere.
Saya kat po, ni lang may la Kahmang Aiche ti chu thei re ga chu wangin mi tin te Kahmang Aiche ti hi wari la chu chu ra tha te ko hi a chu thei ri.
My only message to you, all of you here, please love yourself, please love each other, and please respect each other.
Tinte lawin mga ula, lawin zaton ula, lungrual takin lawon sel ula katuani.
And do you love me?
Nila min pangayam.
No, do you love me? I don't hear.
Min pangayam ati.
Only one man saying yes, yes.
Ring na min pangayam tilayam min pangayam.
Do you love me? Kahmang Aiche. Right? Point is, love will always win, Munkhat will always win, and we will always win if we have love and Munkhat with each other. Thank you so much. God bless you.